Welcome to our latest Instagram marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of Instagram on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Instagram marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest Instagram marketing strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1. What is Instagram marketing all about? Video number 2. Optimizing your Instagram profile for doing business. Video number 3. Researching the best hashtags and topics for your Instagram campaigns. Video number 4. Creating a basic Instagram marketing post or product teaser. Video number 5. Promoting an Instagram post from the app. Video number 6. Using Instagram stories to raise product awareness. Video number 7. Repurposing your Instagram content for other platforms. Video number 8. Using Instagram Live for a product reveal. Video number 9. Promoting a Facebook post on your Instagram account. Video number 10. Running a Facebook video ad on your Instagram profile. Video number 11. Running a product catalog ad on Instagram. Video number 12. Instagram marketing tips for brands and businesses. Video number 13. Creating the type of Instagram content that customers love. Video number 14. Tips for capturing and editing the perfect Instagram photo. Video number 15. Using and understanding Instagram insights to track your performance. Video number 16. Proven Instagram marketing strategies to try. Video number 17. Instagram marketing do's and don'ts. Video number 18. Instagram marketing premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19. Instagram marketing success stories. Video number 20. Instagram marketing frequently asked questions. I know you'll love this training. What is Instagram marketing all about? Hey there everyone! Welcome to Instagram Marketing, the ultimate Instagram marketing crash course for anyone who wants to learn how to use Instagram to build their online presence and grow their business. We want to thank you for picking us as your guide in this exciting journey, as well as congratulate you for your decision to improve your online marketing game. Here you're going to learn all you need to launch and grow your brand or business on Instagram, how to reach the perfect type of customer, and how to generate more profits with advanced level strategies. But first, let's start with the basics. What is Instagram marketing? Instagram marketing is quite simply the use of the Instagram platform and its features to market your content, your brand, your products, your services, and your business. Content creators, brands, marketers, and businesses have learned how to use it to share stuff like pictures and videos in a way that is so casual that immediately engages, which makes it the perfect platform to promote and sell through visual discovery. Instagram marketing is a combination of organic social media marketing strategies, visual discovery, and built-in advertising features that are unique to the Instagram ecosystem. How does it work? Instagram marketing works great because it lets you showcase your products with images, and because it helps you create brand awareness through photos and videos that you can use to tell stories, or to highlight the coolest parts of the lifestyle that you want customers to associate with your brand. You can leverage Instagram's scrollable gallery format to grab the attention of users with a powerful image or video that makes them stop to check your post. Once you've captured the attention of a user with a visual element in your post, the next step is to make them take action. Instagram helps you in this step by letting you add copy, captions, calls to action, and hashtags into your post. This is how you can drive people to a landing page, or to comment, or to click on a hashtag to discover related content. This simple method is very effective to drive awareness, engagement, and action in basically any business-to-consumer niche. And it works because it helps the user make an instant visual and emotional connection with what you're trying to sell. For example, if you're running a baking shop, you can post photos of your sweets to Instagram 2 or more times a day. And you can optimize your image posts with hashtags related to that business, as well as with geo keywords that'll help potential customers in your area to discover your shop. Couple that with behind-the-scenes videos to give your shop an air of coolness, and soon you'll be attracting new customers to your shop. Other powerful features such as integration with Facebook ads can help you take your business to the next level because it lets you run paid ads and promotions across Instagram, Facebook, and many other places around the web. Why should you consider Instagram marketing for your business? Instagram is big and active. There, you'll find over 1 billion active accounts worldwide every single month. This gives you a great opportunity to expand your business to a larger and possibly global audience. 90% of Instagram users follow and interact with business accounts. Of those, at least 30% have purchased products that they have seen on Instagram. Instagram helps you to showcase your products or services in a very casual way, thanks to its unique creative tools and immersive formats. Instagram enhances the way you reach people with your message along the customer journey. Instagram allows you to create a profile that is visually appealing and where you can add a backlink to your business website or any other landing page. It integrates with Facebook advertising, which will help you to explode your reach and sales with ads that are cheap and high converting. What's the future for Instagram marketing? Instagram is working on amazing features for businesses as we speak. And one that is worth looking forward to is integration with Facebook's Brand Collabs, a platform where content creators can find brands that they can partner with. Another cool feature Instagram is working on is running Instagram shopping posts as ads, which are posts that feature products that people can purchase with a single click. This can be a tremendous opportunity for independent product creators and small retail brands on Instagram to increase their sales. The future looks bright and profitable for Instagram marketers. So, are you ready to learn all about Instagram marketing and get ready to make it big? Yes? Then awesome. See you in Lesson 1 next. Running a Facebook video ad on your Instagram profile. Hello there, everyone. We've just set up an advertising campaign to promote a Facebook post from your business page on your Instagram account. And as you can see, it is an easy method to generate more engagement from existing content. This time around, we are going to show you how to set up a video ad campaign to promote a Facebook video through your Instagram profile. Getting started. Let's start right on the Ads Manager page. Just like in the previous lesson, you can directly access this page by visiting the facebook.com/adsmanager/URL while logged into your Facebook account. On this page, click on the Create Ad button to go to the campaign creation page. Creating the video ad campaign. To create a video ad campaign, you have to select video views as your marketing objective. Now enter the name to save your new campaign into the campaign name field. Then click on the Set Up Ad Account button to quickly select your ad account settings. Lastly, click on Continue to start configuring the campaign. Setting up your campaign. Now it is time to set up the ad campaign. Start by entering the name to save this ad set into the Ad Set Name field. Next, move to the Audience section to define your target audience. First, select your target locations. Next, select your target age. Then your target gender if it applies. Now click on the edit icon corresponding to Detailed Targeting to select your detailed targeting criteria by entering your keywords into the Detailed Targeting field and selecting items from the results. Now click on Show More Options. Then click on the edit icon corresponding to languages to select your target languages. Now move to the Placement section. Select Manual Placements. Then deselect all platforms except Instagram. Now move to the Budget and Schedule section. Select Daily Budget as your budget type. Then enter your daily budget amount into the Amount field. Now select your schedule. For this example, we will select to run my ad set continuously starting today. Once you are done configuring your campaign at this point, click on Continue. Setting up the video ad. Now it is time to create your video ad. Start by entering the name of this new ad into the Ad Name field. Now move to the Identity section. Click on the Facebook page menu button and select the Facebook page that is connected to your Instagram account. Now scroll down to the Media section and click on the Add Video button to upload the video that you're going to promote on Instagram. Next, click on the Upload button to locate your video. Double-click on it and wait for it to upload. The recommended length for videos that you want to promote on Instagram is 15 seconds or less. Longer videos can't be promoted on the Instagram timeline. You can move to the Text section after uploading your video. Here you are going to add copy to your video ad. First, enter your copy into the text field. Next, check the Add a Website URL option and enter your landing page URL into the Website URL field. You can click on the Call to Action menu button to select a different Call to Action button. In this case, we'll use the default Learn More CTA button. Now that your video ad for Instagram is ready, go to the Preview section on the right to see how it is going to look on different Instagram placements. Finally, after setting up and previewing your ad, click on the Confirm button to submit and launch your Facebook video ad campaign on Instagram.